One day, a kid went, "That's a big idea." And I went, "That's it. That's what it is. These are big ideas."
Big ideas are the design themes, the messages that you're getting, the metaphors that you're getting about what kids want to actually input in response to a design question.
Really try to get everyone to come together and see how all the ideas coalesce and synthesize.
Ultimately, it is that aggregation of ideas that brings to closure not just that we are documenting these ideas, but it also gives the team what is the ideas that we want to go next with. Big ideas usually are found and identified and aggregated in the closing of the session when we are sharing the ideas.
Each group that might have been tackling a design prompt or design question or design goal gets up and presents.
One of our team members is writing on the board.
You pick out what are the things that stand out.
As they're writing it down, they're starting to link the individual ideas together.
Identify patterns and words that are the same or topics that are similar. It may have only been one group that said it or one person that said that.
But you're also looking for the ideas that keep popping up over and over and over again. And so if you see an idea between 3 different groups and they're all saying a similar kind of thing, that it's all got to be with fire and sparkles, well, then we got to listen to that.
I might actually probe the questions for the kids. I'm like, I don't understand. I don't understand why you strap the rocket ship to this ice cream machine in the future. So I might push back and say, why do you do this? Well, we wanted fast delivery. I was like, oh, I get it. That makes total sense now.
All of a sudden, everybody in the team goes, aha.
Typically what you do is you have the list of the big ideas.
Everybody wants to personalize their avatar, or everybody needs voice because not all the kids can read.
You talk through what those themes were, but then you actually write down with the client another set of ideas, questions, topics, themes that you want to explore more.
Every kid was really interested in this issue or this question. They all had opinions about it. So if you have something like that, you can say, this is fodder for another design session.